Papa getting off the truck.
Is ready for stay. Ready for occupancy.
Baby, you remember your mom's facility in China is gonna look like this. Yeah.
Ooh.
Baby, I think it's that.
What's not included? That's an oh, maybe.
This is the dining table.
Dining room.
Dining room. It's the kitchen. Mag-tour. Ready to occupancy.
The kitchen.
Kitchen.
Wow.
Stock room. Stock room din din. Stock room.
Kitchen.
Everything.
Everything is
Yes.
included?
Yes.
All the furniture and appliances?
Yes.
Here's the
Aircon, the TV,
garage.
and the garage.
Are you the owner of the home?
Yeah.
Nice to
I'm
meet
Nathan.
you.
Nice to meet you also.
David.
June.
June? Nice to
June.
meet you. Have a beautiful home.
Oh, thank you.
Wow.
There are fish there, there are koi, tilapia.
Thank you. Oh, she's gonna take you to look? Ah, cute.
Nakuha na yung hapon din natin pa. Hapon din siya kanina. Mati title hapon lang, no?
Mm.
We have many fish.
Many. Wow. Nice. You like it?
So many fish. Oh, I know.
Oh, so this little house is also part of it?
Yeah.
And that little one back there, I think. Go this way.
It's me, I think.
It's kind of like a bahay kubo bed.
Yeah.
The one that you want.
Mm-hmm.
This
I like the buhay kubo.
If we have a lot of guests, then they can just stay in here.
Mm-hmm.
there's a big one here.
The room is good. Oh, there's a kitchen and where you can cook too.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, this already has a house. A house within a house. Mm-hmm.
Nothing in
So I think there's one bedroom in here. Call it one room. Oh, can't see. It's okay.
I think two.
Two? One or two?
One or two.
Inside. What's your name? Yigat? What's that? Yigat, come here.
You like this place, babe?
It's nice, it's too far.
Kurang lang gas na yun sa utlanan.
Oh. Pwede naman.
Sila ka rin na?
Ito po ko pa nabili price.
Until where?
Murag diha na siguro. Tama na may balay sa bus.
That little cement? Is this
Kana na
water?
siguro no.
Yeah.
Kana no, ano poste?
Oh, this is where they burn trash, probably. Trash burn.
Yan.
Until here. The wall? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see finish seeing the inside.
The water. You can pick up the water. It's scary.
Pretty scary.
Is it open here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is where we came, no?
No. It's the other side.
Oh.
Other side.
Oh, the view's good. But look at it.
Yeah, it is.
Auntie, there's bees here.
There's what here? Bees?
Look at it over here.
How we can we? Ah, thank you.
Auntie.
Yesterday,
Mhm.
my like relatives from Cebu
Mhm.
came here and bought
Auntie.
the house.
Mhm.
The fish.
It, she likes it,
Mhm.
but she went back to Cebu and then look for her like finances.
Mhm.
She told me last night that she gonna
Take the house.
Yeah, she
Oh.
really love you.
Ah.
Yeah, but I have
And how much is the house, may I ask?
how
Pila.
3.8.
3.8 million?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
But the area is only 1,098 square meters.
1,000.
98 for the lot area.
Oh.
And the house is like 250 square meter, the floor area.
Uh-huh.
Something.
It's okay. Can I see the upstairs?
Yeah, it's no problem.
Ah.
Here, the wood is
Oh.
we use the wrong wood. It's like young. The
Oh.
supplier give us the young wood, so
Oh.
it's like the moisture of the because the stairs are all cement,
Mhm.
solid cement, and then the moisture is being absorbed by the wood.
Wood.
And it's
Oh, okay.
yeah.
It's good, so it'll last a long time.
Sorry.
Wow, nice. Nice.
Shower.
Oh. Oops.
Come inside.
Ah. Wow, I like the bathroom.
Yeah. This is all mahogany trees.
Mahogany?
Yeah,
Wow.
mahogany. We're using mahogany.
Mahogany?
Yeah, so there's a lot of mahogany trees there you can use for the
To
building
build.
house.
Mm.
Ito dito dito kay maka. Para sa maning mama magigil.
Oh, this is tile?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
styles.
nice. I like the shower.
Maybe it can help you
My
out
favorite
make
room.
the design.
I'll build the other one over there. Yeah, your house, your husband builds them, right?
Ah,
Yeah.
This is the room.
This is this used to
Ooh.
be our children's room.
Mm.
It's okay.
The shower and the
Nice.
CR.
Oh, I like your showers.
I like the shower and the CR separated.
Yeah.
Auntie. Go down.
So my husband
But
can
can
accompany you there.
Okay, so it's 3 bedrooms?
Actually, that one is used to be our linen room.
Oh, okay.
So
So how many bedrooms total?
Only 2.
Only 2?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's a big house. Only 2
Yeah.
bedrooms.
I want big space.
Yeah. It's nice. But you have a guest house in the back.
Yeah, we have.
The guest.
Before we build this house, that's the first one
We built.
we live there.
There. Okay.
And then build this big house.
Nice.
Yeah.
The guest house is the room is one
the-
room.
Yeah, 1 room with bath and a shower and CR.
Okay.
And then there's an attic.
Oh, okay.
Attic. And then the kitchen is there.
I saw it. Okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm just you like to see the
I saw it already.
No,
the other land?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I'll see
I
it.
will call my husband.
Okay, thank you.